Hi, I'm Frankie, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to film a January favourites video. These products aren't necessarily new, but like they're something I've only just started using or reusing and have really enjoyed like throughout January. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to mention is my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I got this at the start of January and I've really been enjoying it. It's a really good colour match for me without a fake tan, and it just sits really nicely on my face. Like after I've gone in with the beauty blender, it looks really natural. So yeah, I really like this foundation, and also it's not too expensive. I think it's like £27, but I got student discount from Debenhams when I got it, so it is well worth getting and it's not too pricey for what it is. The second product I'm actually using quite a few videos now is the Makeup Revolution Conceal+Define Concealer. They are really good concealers. I have the colour C4 and C3 and C4, but I also have C5, but it's too dark for me. But yeah, they're really good concealers. I've said before, they're quite like the Shape Tape concealer, but a fraction of the price. They're £4 each from Superdrug. I think you can only get them from Superdrug, but yeah, they're so good and I recommend these to anyone. The next product I'm going to mention is my Kylie Kylighter. I've actually had this for a while. I've had it since like June and I've always liked it, but I've just found I've reached for it quite a lot in January, and before I'd use it every now and again, but I use this almost every time I go out now. It's in the colour Cotton Candy Cream and this is what it looks like. As you can see, you can barely see the drips anymore on mine because I use it so much. It's not too intense of a highlighter, but you can definitely build it up. It's a nice everyday highlighter because it's not too intense. But I also use it when I'm going out with my iconic illuminator drops underneath, just to make it, oh my god, because it really makes it like stand out and like, you know. Next is my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Heathers. It's actually what I'm wearing right now on my lips. I usually go for a nude, but I do love every now and again going for like a brighter lipstick or a dark lipstick like this. And yeah, this is what I've reached for if I want to like go a bit out there this month. It dries down nicely, but it's still really nice and comfortable on the lips. Like, it's not too dry and it doesn't crack off or anything like that. And it's really long wearing as well. Like, you could eat a meal and it will still be on, apart from like the middle bit, you know. Because it's dark, it can get a bit messy, but as long as you're careful applying it, like, it's really nice. Okay, so next is my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I basically use almost every time I go out now. It's so good, even if I use it just for my transition colours. Like, there's so many nice transition colours, so many nice colours in general. Like, I haven't actually used them all yet, so I'm still having a play around with it and like finding out what looks I can make with it. So yeah, it's just one of those palettes that I think I'll never really get bored of because there's so much choice and so much you can do with it. If you want a new palette, get the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's so good. The last product, I've been planning about talking about these for ages because I just love them so much. It's not like makeup, but it's my Garnier Micellar Water makeup wipes, and they're so good. Like, they don't dry out too quickly and I just feel like they take off my makeup really easily, really quickly. The only thing is that literally today I saw on Twitter or somewhere on Facebook that the micellar water is like making people's skin really dry, and I have been having really dry skin lately, and so I'm kind of wondering whether it's the wipes or whether it's something else, like just cold weather. So I think I'm gonna stop using them for a while and see if my skin clears up or see if it makes any difference, and then just like go from there. Yeah, yay, come in. But yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on that and I'll let you know. Oh, one last thing. This isn't makeup related at all or beauty related, but I went to Tesco the other day and I got these two candles and they smell so good. This is like mulberry and something, and this is, I think, passion fruit and mango, and they're so nice. I took the labels off because they just like said Tesco, but they're so nice and they were £1 each. So if you want to bargain, pop to Tesco's and get those candles. So those are my January favourites. I know there's not many and it was quite a short video, but I'm going to try and keep these monthly favourites going because I think they're quite helpful if anyone's out looking for some new makeup products, just what I've tested and tried and like. I'm thinking about maybe starting doing another video of products I didn't particularly like during the months, but I don't want to be mean, so I'm not really sure. So thank you for watching, make sure you subscribe and I'll hopefully see you next time.